Super Easy Drawings.
Hello everyone, and welcome to the Super Easy Drawings channel. Today we are going to draw geometric shapes. Let's start drawing. First, I'm going to draw a big rectangle. Then I'll divide it into 6 small squares. And then a circle. Triangle. Square. And a heart. Rectangle. Star. Awesome! Now I'm going to use this black marker to make this beautiful drawing more visible. Let's start coloring. I'm going to use the colors of the rainbow. Let's use red for this. I use orange. Yellow. Dark green. Light blue. Purple. Really good. Now let's color all the boxes with the colors of the rainbow. Red. Orange. Yellow. Green. Blue. Light violet. Excellent! If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.